Depression. Yeah, baby. Pressure's on the block. When it's on. One of these days I'll learn. Don't fuck with trick ass niggas, cause they turn into bitch ass niggas. I'm sick of being stuck in the county jail. My niggas clown, bring a pound when they post that bail. Fucking blunts in the driveway. My 4-5 screaming, fuck the police. Won't fly, wake up till I die. You wonder why I made this way. I wasn't turned out, I was raised this way. I'm thinking these are the dreams of a young teen. Scheme, it's that cream of a crack fiend. One time came home, man. One of these days, we gotta bust back for the homies. Locked down in the penitentiary. I probably lose my mind if the dick sits me. I'm stressed, smoking weed and nicotine. But what a nigga really need is Thorazine. Right before I die, I'll be cursing the law. Reincarnated bitch, even worse than before. My folks screaming payback. My underhanded plan to get them niggas while they lay back. And Big Stretch hit the scene with the mini 14. Serving suckers like dope fiends. Empty the whole thing. Depression, nigga. That's right.
Yeah, never run, throw your gun in the air. Oh yeah, nigga, boss ain't no time to spare. Cause